After viewing this video, you will be able to recognize the different cabinets and locks that Rousseau has manufactured over the years. We will begin by identifying each type of cabinet. There are 5 key elements that will help you differentiate between them. First of all, cabinet widths. Secondly, the rolling mechanisms. Next, handle design. The 4th element, year of fabrication. And finally, the serial number. Let's begin by taking a closer look at identifying what type of cabinet you have, light or heavy duty. Rousseau light duty cabinets are 18 inches wide. For the rolling mechanism, the light duty drawer is equipped with slides. The drawer is designed with a 100-pound capacity. Rousseau heavy-duty cabinets have a standard width of 18 inches or more. The heavy-duty drawers are equipped with carriages that have a ball-bearing rolling mechanism. The drawers are designed with a 400-pound capacity. If you have a light-duty cabinet, you will need to identify which generation it is. The WS cabinet was manufactured between September 1996 and January 2012. Here is how to identify the WS cabinet housing and drawers. The handle has a 45-degree angle on the end caps. The optional lock is located in the center of the drawer. And finally, there was no possibility of installing a central locking mechanism on the housing. The compact L-line housing and drawers were launched in February 2012. It can be distinguished by the following features: ergonomic handle with the same end caps as the exclusive Rousseau design seen on the heavy-duty R drawers, optional drawer lock located on the right side of the drawers, and optional housing lock located on the top right-hand side of the cabinet housing. If you have a heavy-duty housing, you will then have to identify which Rousseau generation you have. The OT200 housings and drawers were manufactured up until September 1994. Here are the distinguishing features of the OT200 product. The handles are centered on the drawer fronts and are not the full width of the drawers. The handle end caps are white, handles have paper inserts with plastic protectors. Optional lock was located on the upper right-hand side of the cabinet housing. OT700 cabinet housings and drawers were manufactured between September 1994 and January 2005. The distinguishing features are: the drawer handles are the full width of the drawer fronts and located at the top of the drawer. Drawer end caps are at a 45-degree angle. The handles have paper inserts with a plastic protector. Optional locking mechanism on the right-hand side of the drawer. Optional cabinet lock was available on the cabinet housing. In fact, Rousseau had 2 different versions of locking mechanisms for the OT700 cabinets. One with the lock centered on the housing, and the other with the lock on the right-hand side of the housing. The R-Line housings and drawers were launched in February 2005. Its distinguishing features are the ergonomic handle with large end caps, the Rousseau name embossed along the front of each drawer. This is a Rousseau exclusive design. Optional locking mechanism on the right-hand side of the drawer, and optional locking mechanism on the right-hand side of the housing. If you don't see the Rousseau logo, it's not Rousseau. All cabinets can be identified by the serial number located on the inner ceiling of the housing. It will be easier for the Rousseau customer service team to assist you if you have this number ready when you contact us. The following information will help you identify the type of lock you have on your cabinet housing, which will make ordering keys and locks much easier. First off, here are the types of locks that are available for the Rousseau light-duty cabinets that you may have on hand. For the WS cabinets, 2 types of locks were offered, the Ilco and the Wesco. The Rousseau L3 is the available lock for the L line. If you have heavy-duty cabinets and drawers, the following will help you identify the different locks that are available. The Dome lock is compatible with both the OT200 and the OT700 cabinets and drawers. There are 3 types of locks that are compatible with the R-Line: the Rousseau, the Wesco, and the Dome. Here is a chart that will help you identify your light-duty cabinets and drawers. This chart will allow you to properly identify your heavy-duty cabinets and drawers. Finally, here's a recap of all the compatible locks with the corresponding housings and drawers that Rousseau offers.